Ready to turn your Samsung Smart TV into the ultimate NBA viewing hub? Let's dive in. First, power up your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the apps menu. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a house or a grid. Once you're in the apps section, use the search bar to find the NBA League Pass app. This is your go-to for live and on-demand games. Select NBA League Pass from the search results and hit that install button. Give it a minute to download and get ready for tip-off. Some games air exclusively on ESPN, so repeat the app search process, this time for the ESPN app. Install it just like you did NBA League Pass. After installation, open NBA League Pass and log in with your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one on the NBA website. Do the same for the ESPN app while you're logged in with your ESPN account or create one if needed. Now you've got access to even more games. Buffer issues ruining your slam dunks? Head to your TV settings and check your network connection. A stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is key. Optimize your viewing experience. In the picture settings, adjust the resolution to the highest possible setting, usually 4K or UHD for the sharpest visuals. Don't settle for blurry baskets. By following these simple steps, you'll be enjoying crystal clear NBA action on your Samsung Smart TV in no time. Enjoy the game.